Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change currency in WPS spreadsheet. So for example, I have here these values. If I want to change it, I need to select these values, and after that I need to go to Home tab, and here I need to click on this one arrow where I have general option. I need to click on it, and then I need to select here currency. After that we will have here dollars. So now I need to click on this one option one more time, and if I want to change the currency, I need to go to more number formats. And then we need to change the symbol here. So for example, I click on this list where we have dollar, and now I need to select the symbol or currency which I want to use. So for example, I will scroll up this list and maybe I will select the euro. So for example, I select here this one option euro 123 and I click OK button. After that, currency will be successfully changed to this one. So in this way you can easily change the currency in WPS spreadsheet. If I helped you to do it, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel. Please let me know in comment if it's of a problem.